Addictive miso sauce is key. Japanese miso garlic fried rice, miso chahan. $30 of green onions, chopped finely. One to 2 cloves of garlic, slice. $60 of sausage, slice into rounds. One tablespoon of miso, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mirin, half teaspoon of sugar, a dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. One egg. Beat well. Low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a well-heated pan. Add the sliced garlic. Once browned, remove the garlic. Medium heat. Add the beaten egg to the garlic-infused oil. Quickly add 200 grams of cooked rice. Mix well until the rice and egg are combined. Add the chopped green onions. Add the sausage. Add half the garlic chips. Once slightly cooked, add the pre-made sauce. Stir fry until the sauce is evenly distributed, and it's done. Garnish with the remaining garlic chips. 今日の料理は味噌ガーリックチャーハンでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.